Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to be discussing the differences between a pressure pot dry blast machine and a siphon dry blast machine. So let's get right into it. So as far as the pressure pot machine and how that operates, the media is going to be stored in a pressure pot that is going to come through up to your gun. And the way that that works is high air pressure that propels it out of that pressure pot at a higher speed, which makes it more effective for faster cleaning. So with a suction system, you're looking at media that is stored right here in your hopper that works more of like a vacuum effect. So it's actually going to pull that abrasive to your gun where it mixes with the air and it's propelled out to start your blasting of your parts. So when you're looking at advantages of a system that has a pressure pot, you're looking at higher speed of blast. You have a little bit more control over the blast. It's more consistent and it's better for blasting heavy coatings off of parts. So we're talking like powder coat, maybe heavier rust, maybe your more industrial paints. That's what this kind of system is really good for, and those are the advantages that you'll see out of a pressure pot system. So the advantages that you're gonna see out of a siphon system is that it's easier setup, easier to maintain. It's a little bit more cost effective to go with a siphon machine in a dry blast setup, but it's also suitable for more light duty blasting. So if you're just looking, to clean things up, get them up to par with where you need them, this may be where you want to be at because it is meant for lighter duty blasting. So an example of a few applications where this may be good is prepping for coatings, larger pieces where you have heavier, let's say rust scale, or you have powder coat on them, or heavier duty applications like industrial cleaning. So as far as applications for the siphon machine, this is going to be better for a little bit lower volume of jobs where things just need touch-ups, maybe a little bit of rust, maybe a little bit of paint removal, or maybe you need some etching of a piece. That's where a siphon system is going to be the most convenient for you. So as far as media usage in your pressure pot machine, this is going to use a lot more abrasive than what a siphon system is, but it is also a lot faster and a lot more coverage than what a siphon system is going to give you. So you get an advantage in that regard with a pressure pot machine. With the siphon machine, it's going to use a little bit less abrasive and less material, so it's going to be more economical for your smaller jobs out there. So if you're just looking maybe to do a little bit of more hobby work or restoration work, a siphon machine is going to be the best for you. If you're running a more higher volume industrial cleaning level with a dry blast machine, that's where a pressure pot will be more of a convenience to you because it's faster, provides a lot more coverage, and you can get things done quicker with the power that this type of machine has. So when you're using a pressure pot system, the equipment cost generally for a pressure pot is going to be higher than a siphon system because of the pressure pot and all of the extra components needed for this machine, making it more for industrial use. So with the siphon machine, if you're more of a hobbyist or a smaller workshop, that's where the price is going to benefit you because it's going to be lower than what a pressure pot machine is because of the way this machine is meant to be used. It's meant for more hobbyist applications, lower volume applications, more simple applications than a pressure pot is needed for. So price is going to be a little bit lower than a pressure pot. I hope you guys took a lot of good information from this video. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563.